What is going on, guys? RC King here for another YouTube video. Today we're going to be starting the rebuild series. Last week I just told you and went over everything we're doing to the truck for this rebuild. So on this episode we're going to be starting from the back and completely tearing that apart. So yeah, guys, I'm going to start the time lapse and we'll get into this. Yeah, so I literally can't get this pin out, so we're just gonna leave that for now and take apart the rest of it. What's real and lies? Some things we'll never figure out. What was the plan? Maybe God was just some playing in the sand. Does it make a difference? Okay, so I got the rest torn down, but what are we gonna do with this naughty pin? This pin just won't come out. Just can't get it out. Like, I don't know why. It just won't come out. Yeah, so I don't know what we're doing there. Not sure if it's gonna actually work. I hope that will lubricate it enough where it will hopefully come out in a bit. So we just got to the diff. The diff is looking good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some dish soap. There's a little bit of this left and some warm water. And then we're going to chuck the parts in there and we're going to clean them up. Will they remember you? I'm going to hit all these parts that are greasy on them with some brake cleaner. And then we're going to wash them with some soapy water. Show is all over. The curtain comes down. Will anyone talk about when I was around? Does it make a difference? Anything we do? Okay, so we dried everything, and now we're going to be taking these apart. Let us take the bearings off of the diff itself, and then we're going to get those get clean. Will they remember you? Will they remember you? Okay, so we got everything done. The bearings, I shot them with brake cleaner. They sat there for a couple hours, then now they're sitting in WD-40. So the last step to really make this look brand new, after you've cleaned them, is really just shoot them with some WD-40. So that's what we're going to do right now. Be careful not to get WD-40 on the shocks and the differential and stuff. Okay, after you soak it all in WD-40, you're just going to leave it overnight. So, yeah, guys, I'll continue the video tomorrow. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's the next day. Everything's been soaking WD-40 the whole night. It looks good. So, yeah, we're just going to wash all the WD-40 off, put the bearings back in the hubs and stuff, and then we're going to rebuild the diff. bearing back into the diff case, and then we're actually going to get right to the actual differential. Okay, so I moved all my stuff into the workshop. Everything looks good. Now we're going to start rebuilding the differential. So we're first going to shoot it with some brake cleaner, and then we're going to start taking it apart. So let's get into it. Now that we got it all brake cleaned, we're going to open up the differential. We're going to put the new 30,000 weight diff oil in it. Okay, so I got that open. It looks like there's barely any oil in the diff, so I don't really know what's going on there. So it's kind of concerning. So I'm going to brake clean those and brake clean the diff case itself. Okay, so now we got it all brake clean. We're going to put all the stuff back into the diff, and then we're going to start assembling the diff with the new oil in it. Okay, we got the diff sampled, so now we got to put the diff oil into the diff. Damn, this stuff is really thick. Never used thicker oil before. I've been lost since I opened my eyes. How do I... Okay, so we got the diff all assembled. We got to get into putting the rear end back together. What's real and lies? Some things we'll never figure out. What was the plan? Maybe God was just some kid playing in the sand. That's the rear end rebuilt. It looks good. Basically looks brand new, which I like. I don't know if it looks that good on camera, but it does look that good in real life. We still need to wait for the 80-weight shock wheel to come in, and then we'll rebuild the shocks. I think what I'm going to do is take the shocks off the front. We're just going to rebuild all 4 shocks at once, so we're going to do a video, probably do a video about that. I might not, though, it's not 100%. Okay, so next episode, we're going to be rebuilding the chassis. So taking it apart, we're putting a new dyed chassis in. We're going to put the black chassis. The old chassis had a crack in it and has a hole in it. So we are going to put a new black chassis that me and my friend dyed. There should be, if the video's not out already of us dyeing the chassis, it will be out soon. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, turn bell notifications on. Of course, come back next week for either part 2 of this series or the video about dyeing the chassis. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.